A new supply chain report has revealed that the release of Apple's eagerly anticipated microLED watch has been postponed from 2025 to 2026 due to complex manufacturing issues. LG, the primary supplier, is working hard to find precise and cost-effective solutions in order to ensure a successful launch. Unpacking the complexity of microLED panels. MicroLED technology offers a host of benefits, including enhanced brightness and energy efficiency. Nevertheless, its production presents formidable hurdles. The crux of the challenge lies in the intricate composition of the tiny light-emitting diodes constituting the display. Achieving the precision required for manufacturing has proven to be a formidable roadblock in achieving satisfactory production yields. Navigating the cost conundrum. One of the central roadblocks in microLED panel production is the elevated cost. The intricacies involved in the manufacturing process, combined with the demand for impeccable precision, lead to a substantial number of panels falling short of the required quality standards. This, in turn, escalates the cost per functional panel, creating a financial quandary for manufacturers, which in this case is LG. LG's new approach. As the primary supplier for Apple, LG has taken on the challenge of finding viable solutions to the manufacturing hurdles. Reports indicate that LG has made considerable progress in addressing issues tied to defective microLED panels. However, these solutions come with their own expenses, contributing to the overall cost challenge. Therefore, the company has taken a novel approach to addressing the accuracy and reliability issues in chip positioning, patent acquisition. LG has acquired 14 U.S. patents from Taiwanese firm Ultra Display Technology. These patents are related to improving the precision of chip placement during manufacturing, which will ultimately lead to improved yields and cost savings. When microLED technology does make its entrance into the Apple Watch lineup, it's anticipated to begin with the Ultra model. Subsequently, this technology will trickle down to the standard models.